Organic hair treatment oil, pure organic blend of. Apply 2-3 drops to wet or dry hair. When using as an intense treatment, apply to a dry hair and leave in for at least 20 minutes before washing. Or use as an overnight treatment starting at the ends and moving up to the roots. Use as heat protection before styling by focusing the oil on the ends of the hair whilst still wet. For a beard oil, apply to either damp or dry skin and work the oil into all areas to moisturize and soften the hair. You only need 1-2 drops. Prime time to apply after you shower bathe. Use a quality comb if you have one. No more scratchiness, just one kissable man. Remember, this premium oil goes a long way, so don't overuse it. Hair Styling Anti-Frizz Argan Kit Normal 2. This is the perfect duo for my natural 4A4B mixed hair. I already use the LOC method to moisture my hair after washing, so this is perfect. I use the water that is left on my hair as the L, then apply this argan oil as the O, and finally lock it all in with the leave-in conditioner, which services as the C. I'm left with very soft, moisturized, and manageable hair. I love that this leave-in is on the thick side and cream. I love thicker leave-in conditioners because they coat my thick hair better and seem to provide more hydration. The oil is also very thick. This isn't 100% pure argan oil, though, which is why it's thicker. It's a hair treatment and has some other ingredients in it as well. I like the mixture and think it works well on my curly kinky hair. I love that I don't have to use a lot of either to saturate my hair. I like to divide my hair into 6 sections after washing and then go through each section applying the oil and then the leave-in conditioner. It works best on damp hair and gives me some added shine too. I don't have any frizz once my hair is dry, since argan oil is amazing at eliminating frizz. I'm very happy with this duo, the ingredients, and its effectiveness on my hair. I received this product complimentary in exchange for my honest, unbiased review. All opinions are 100% mine. Stretch Mark Cream, best treatment to reduce. Disclosure: I received the product mentioned below for free using tomosun.com. However, all of the opinions expressed are my own. As a mom of 3, with a normal weight of 135 pounds, and am now down to 200 pounds from 240 pounds, I have some stretch marks. I don't really care what others think of them. I have issues with weight, and I have 3 babies that I stretched that skin for. I do, however, get annoyed by them. I care what I think of myself and how I appear. That is why I am on a weight loss journey, and B, I am on a stretch mark removal mission. I want to say that I was very skeptical of a cream making these huge discolored stretch marks go away. I have tried all sorts of lotions and creams, from the stores, and even the cocoa butter secret while you are pregnant. Nothing has worked. I still got them while carrying each child. I was eager to give this a shot, something I have not tried before. In the picture I provided, I wanted to demonstrate how thick this cream is. It has a light scent of citrus, and leaves your skin feeling soft and cool. Suggested use is 2 times a day for at least 3 weeks. I used the cream on my right side of my abdomen only for purpose of seeing how effective this product is. I am very surprised. I had equal amounts of stretch marks on both sides. I have definitely seen a difference in clearing of these stretch marks, and I know I am not the only person who hates that irritating itch associated with the dryness of stretch marks, not to mention the discoloration. The only thing I really see is a shiny glare where you can tell the skin was at some point compromised. Overall, I love this product. I would and will definitely recommend this product to friends and family. I intend on purchasing more as my weight loss journey continues. Disclosure: I received the product mentioned below for free using tomozon.com. However, all of the opinions expressed are my own. All-in-one Ladykin Van Per Dark Repair Cream Moisturizer. Comicos Kala Conte HBINTL. Date, price, $20.80 B01GNXNEK Image URL, image URL high-res. Men's Pheromone Moisturizing Cream by Skinmer. MENSPHEROMONEMOISTURIZINGCREAM Increase the chances of attracting that special someone, using a scientific and natural method of pheromone technology, in a remarkable new cream designed specifically for men. Skinmore Men's Pheromone Moisturizing Cream is a potent new formula that uses natural botanical ingredients to target and stimulate the production of the skin's own pheromones, in particular the men's pheromone related to sexual attraction called androstadienone. Delivered in a smooth and convenient moisturizing cream, it uses ingredients derived from the Maykondi root and black tea leaves to increase the body's natural proclivity to produce more androstadienone, and retain it in the skin. Don't rely on looks alone to get what you want. Take advantage of this novel new moisturizer and its incredible powers of attraction. Benefits: stimulates an increase in your own pheromone levels, accumulates and concentrates pheromones for long-lasting and potent effect, moisturizes and softens skin. How it works: while humans are predominantly dependent on visual clues in the laws of attraction, smells play an important role as well. It is widely known that sexual stimulation in the animal kingdom is highly influenced by the chemical interaction of hormones and pheromones. Pheromones are chemical messengers that often rely sexual readiness and are sensed and received via the olfactory system. Androstadienone is a significant male pheromone related to human sexual attraction. It is well known for its ability to acquire attention from heterosexual women and homosexual men. Skinmore Men's Pheromone Moisturizing Cream uses natural ingredients to both simulate the skin's androstadienone production, and retain high concentration levels for an increased attraction effect. Directions: apply to face and neck twice per day. Buy Need Travel Accessories Bottles Convenience Kit Toiletries 3 ounces Travel. These bottles are fantastic for travel. The lid is easy to screw securely closed and also easy to open again. They have a nice wide mouth for easy filling. I didn't need to use the labels since the colors helped me remember what was inside. I used them for lotions and toner on a trip to Hawaii, and even with the very liquid toner, there were no leaks, no spills, no problems. The bottles seemed unaffected by the changes in air pressure on a flight. I didn't have any issues with any of them burping air and splattering product when opened mid-flight, as I've had with many other travel bottles. The way it dispenses is great, nothing comes out unless you're intentionally squeezing the bottle. The suction cups are also great for sticking the bottles to a mirror or shower wall. The suction holds even a heavy full bottle.